Now, I just want you guys to know you get all of this stuff, but you really don't need to use it all. You know what I mean? If you've got a horizontal window, you're not going to use that, all right? If you've got a vertical window, you're going to need that. That is your sleeve that you're going to put the flex hose into. And if you got a horizontal window, you just need this and a couple of these, and it should work. And if you want, you can go ahead and use those as insulation. But you don't really always have to if it's just going to be for a limited amount of time. When this snaps on, so to get it off here, you're going to have trouble with that. So you got to kind of bend it in, and then it pops off. Because there's a little clip right there. Let me show you here. So when you put this on here, look, watch. See that little clip? It snaps on there. So when you're trying to get it off, you're like, how come it won't come off? What you got to do is you got to get in here and you got to kind of turn it. Let me do it with this hand so you guys can see. You got to kind of turn it until it just releases. You see that there? There it is. I push it in and I turn it and it releases up just like that. All right, so I'm going to just pull it this way for a second so you guys can see. So here's those little clips, right? And that's how they go onto that sleeve. And then you have to take all the other sleeves over here and you measure them out in your window. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Yeah. So we're going to use this window right here. So you can see it's not that big. Yeah, it should be okay. So we've got all of our sleeves. And I tried these two with it, but it wasn't long enough. So I had to get a longer sleeve. So you'll see the ones that have the holes, that slides in like that. And this slides over it like that. So this gives us much more room, right? So now I want this on the bottom because I got a big rise here. You see that? And then I slide this one all the way over and we're in, man. That's it right there. I pull this out, leave that there for now, right? We take this. All right, now the key is you want to have this on the bottom. What you could do, instead of hassling it with it in the window, is you could just bring it over like this. You follow me? And then just smush it down. Just put it on there, right here. You see? Just like that. Now it's on there, okay? So then what you could do, let me back up a little bit. So now you've got it like that, right? Then you come and you grab your sleeve and you slide your sleeve in there. Ah, there we go. All right, so now our sleeve's in, right? So I slide my sleeve on, right? And then I can just come like this over here, move this a little closer, slide this in, put her like that, make sure we get it in there all the way. It's pushed all the way as far as it'll go. And then we're going to take it and smush it right down in that hole, just like this. Smush it down, bring that down, put the window down on it, just like that. And I think we're looking good, right? Okay, so that's not too bad. I mean, I could put all that insulation and all that stuff in there, but I don't think we need to. All right, so now let's go ahead and let's plug it in. All right, so here's the plug. And I'm just gonna go ahead and smush it in there, just like that. Okay, bam. Now I can do a test. So that blew it, and I hit it here. Comes back on. Test it. So the circuit's working. Let's put it back on. So now it's working. Now we can come over here, and we can turn it on. So this is power here. This is, when you program it, you can program it to turn up colder at night. This is the fan just running. That's temperature up, temperature down. That's mode. Auto, cool, dry, fan, heat. That's a timer, which you can set, and that makes this thing swing. So let's go ahead and just turn it on. So you can see it's at 70 degrees. There it goes. It's blowing. Now, if I want this to swing, which I really do, I would click right there. Now look, that's going to move. All right. If I want to change the mode, I would come here, watch. There's dry, that'd be like a dehumidifier. There's just the fan. There's heat, and there's auto, which would just get the temperature to 70, whether it's hot or cold. And then there's cool, which is what we would use for Florida. All right, the timer's here. If you press that, it's going to give you a specific amount of time. So then I could go like this, 21 minutes, 23 minutes, 24, whatever. Let's turn that off. All right, let's go back to temperature. We want to go up. Why is it doing that? Oh, there we are. Now we're back on temperature. So now if you want to go up, you go like that, so it'd be a little bit warmer. If you want to go down, it'd be this way. It's cooler. That's the fan. That's sleep. If you want to do sleep, you would press that, and you can change times, right? But let's leave that off, and then that's power. And press that, and it takes a while to turn off. And that's basically the manual controls. Okay. Now you have the same controls on here too. All right. So if I press this button, it should turn it on, right? And then you're going to see the same thing in this window as you'll see over here. Takes a minute or two. Now we could hit the mode here, right? And then it's dry, heat, fan, auto, and cool. Let's leave it on cool. All right. And then you could hit this, and that it brings it back to the 79. We don't want that. That's somebody put that in there. So let's go ahead and let's go back to, let's go to mode, let's go to cool. Okay, now let's go ahead and drop the temperature now that we got it at 79. So I'm just going to press this. And I'm going to go to 70. There it is. We're at 70. All right, there it comes. Now it's working. Now over here, you've got the fan. You've got another on and off button for time. You've got your LED. If you press that, it turns that off. You press that, it turns it back on. So let me show you. Turns it off, turns it on. This is for moonlight sleeping, and you can change it from centigrade to Fahrenheit. So we're in Fahrenheit. Let's go with centigrade's 21, and you can see it there. And Fahrenheit's 70. And that's pretty much it. I mean, that's how it works. This thing does cool a lot larger area than 550. We had it in a big 2-bedroom condo, and it cooled it down pretty good to about 76. So I think it works pretty well. Oh, here's the swing thing. See, you can make it swing. It stopped. Watch. And that swings.